Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
Hello and welcome students to Measurements Part 2. In the last video you saw that you use kilometers for measuring distance and meter and centimeter is used for measuring small measures. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Now today we will see how will you measure mass. Mass, that means weight. Have you gone to a shop and seen the weight they are using? You may see that if you ask from 1 kg or 5 kg of sugar, what the person is putting, he is putting a big iron weight on that balancing instrument, and accordingly he is giving you the product. So, suppose your mother told you to bring 5 kg of rice, 2 kg of sugar, half kg of pawa and 500 gram of masala. How you will bring all that things? Will you bring it in kilometers? No. Or in meters? No. For that you need to use weight. That is 5 kg, 1 kg, 500 grams, 200 grams, 50 grams. This type of weights you have to use. I told you that kilo means 1000. Kilogram is written as kg and gram is written as g. Gram is the unit for measuring weight in smaller than a kilogram. Suppose you go to a vegetable vendor or a fruit vendor, both these people also use grams and kgs to give you fruits. They give you 1 kg of apples, right? What they do? They put that 1 kg in one pan and on the other side they put the apple. When both of them are equal, he will give you that amount of fruits. Understood? Now 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Let us see the conversion of units. 3 kilograms, you have to convert it into grams. How will you do it? You are knowing that 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So 3 kg will be equal to 3 into 1000, that is 3000 grams. Now, if you need to convert 5.5 kilogram to grams, how will you convert it? 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So 5.5 kg is equal to 5 kg plus half kg, that is 5000 gram plus 500 grams, and you will get 5000 plus 500 is 5500 grams. My mother bought 1 liter of milk and she poured it into 5 glasses. So, can I say that my mother bought 1 kg of milk? No. For milk or for liquids, that is volume and capacity, you always use liters. You have heard that the water tank is having a capacity of 500 liters, or your petrol tank of your car is having this much liters. So, for measuring liquids or the volume, you always use liters. Liters are written as L, and the smaller units of liter is milliliters, that is written as ml. A liquid less than 1 liter is measured in milliliters. Now 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Let us see the conversions now. I have to convert 5 liters into milliliters. How will I do it? 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Therefore, 5 liter is equal to 5 into 1000, that is 5000 milliliters. Now, I have to convert 4 and 3/4 liters into milliliters. That is 4 liters and the quarter liters into milliliters. Now, you know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. So, 4 liters plus 3/4 liters. Now, 4 liters will be equal to 4000 milliliters and 3/4 liter is equal to 750 milliliters. So 4000 plus 750 will give me 4750 milliliters. Now let us see word problems. One round of a walking track in the park is 250 meters long. Anil's father walked the path 4 times every morning. How many kilometers does he walk every day? See here, one round is equal to 250 meters. How many rounds the father is taking? 4 rounds. That means total distance covered is 4 into 250, that is 1000 meters. You know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So, the answer is Anil father walked 1 kilometer every day. Ram bought kilogram of barfi, half kilogram of chivda and 3/4 kilogram of jalebi from a shop. What was the total weight of her purchase? Weight of barfi, what was it? He bought quarter kilogram of barfi, that is 250 gram. Weight of chivda is half. How will you write half kilogram? It's 500 gram. Now weight of jalebi is 3/4, that is 3/4. 3/4 quarter is equal to 750 grams. So the total weight is 250 plus 500 plus 750, that is equal to 1500 grams. Now you know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Therefore 1500 gram is equal to 1 kg plus 1 kg plus 500 gram, that is equal to 1 kg plus half, 1.5 kg. So the answer is Ram bought 1.5 kg of weight in all. Let us take a quick recap of what we have seen today. We saw that mass is measured in kg or gram, volume is measured in liters and milliliters, kilogram is written as kg, gram is written as gram, liter is written as L, and milliliter is written as ml. 1 kg is 1000 gram and 1 liter is equal to 1000 milligram. You have also seen the conversions. Children, always practice maths and go on solving sums so that the concepts become clear to you. Till we come with the next video, keep learning new things.
Thank you.